How to change Snapchat username twice in a year. First, open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and that should open up your settings. Now, tap on username, and over here, tap on change username. So, if you have not changed your username in the past 1 year, you can simply tap on continue to change your Snapchat username. But let's say that you have already done it in the past 1 year. So for that, you want to take the screenshot of your username. So over here, click a screenshot, and now you want to edit your photo. So here you just want the username part, and now you want to save this photo. After that, you want to go back and head over to your settings again. Here under the feedback section, you will find I spotted a bug option. Tap on that and you want to head over to profile. So over here, tap on add attachment, tap on add screenshot, and here you're going to add the screenshot that you have just taken. After that, you are going to type the brief description on why you want to change your username. So simply type in a reason as to why you want to change your Snapchat username, and then mention the old username as well as the new username. Now tap on choose topic, and here you want to tap on my profile. Once it's done, tap on submit, and then they are going to change your Snapchat username after contacting you. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.